You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button and do not forget to like the video by clicking the thumbs up. If you have any question pertaining the video, you can ask me. So to watch my other videos where you learn how to make different kinds of bags for free, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell close to the subscribe button, whereby you get notified anytime I upload a new video. All right, and thanks to all my subscribers, and I'm welcoming new subscribers. Come and join the family where you get trained for free and then you make money out of it. All right, so this is the little way of impacting the lives and touching people's lives. Okay, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make, and please do not forget to watch the adverts in this video. As you'll be watching the videos, at some point adverts will be coming in. Do not forget to watch. Please do not skip it. Watch it. This is the only way I get a little token out of the video I'm making. So I will appreciate if you watch the advert. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a PU purse. Okay, so a mini purse wallet. Okay, using the PU leather material. So this is I'm using a Gucci G and D PU material. Okay, so now leather material. So now the measurement is 7.5 by 10 inches. 7.5 by 10 inches. So this is a mini wallet. Okay, so so this is the right side of the leather. This is my zip cloth. I'll be using just 3 items. So using this one, this, and the zip head. So now I'm going to and do not forget to send my Christmas chicken. Oh, okay. My reward is from here. Oh. God will start rewarding me from here on earth. So send my Christmas chicken for me. Let's start from the top here. So we're done with the purse. turn it to the right side. If you would like to join my online training, my personal online training, where you have the opportunity to ask me personal questions on bag making and bag making business, where you have the opportunity to ask, where I will be explaining to you how many yards of material you need to make 50 bags, 100 bags, and so on and so forth, or even less than that, and you have the privilege of asking me other questions, you can enroll for my online personal training, which I normally do on Telegram. So you can WhatsApp me if you're interested, and it's not free, you're going to pay. Okay, so WhatsApp me on +2348036588365. All right, so this is our course. Let me see. So if it's hanging, all you need to do is set it. All right, so okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. So just use your hand to adjust it well. So see you in my next video. So I hope you enjoyed this. So if you want to style it, you can style it.